अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। जी, okay, today we are going to start our new series, that is speeches on the selected topics. आप में से हर बच्चे को कैमरा ऑन करके बोलना है। एक बात, हर बच्चे को नंबर देने हैं दूसरे को। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मैं आफरीन मोमिन को बुलाऊं तो जितने और बच्चे हैं सब बच्चे उनको नंबरात दीजिएगा, ठीक है? अपना नाम लिख लेना। नंबर 1 आफरीन मोमिन, नंबर 2 आयशा, नंबर 3 समरीन, फॉर एग्जाम्पल। इस तरह नंबरिंग करके आप हर बच्चे के नाम के आगे 100 में से नंबरात देने हैं। बच्चे की परफॉर्मेंस आपको लगता है कि 80% है तो 80 नंबरात दे दीजिएगा। 70 लगे 70, 50 50, 90 90, 100 100। जैसा आपको महसूस हो इस बच्चे ने कैसा परफॉर्म किया, अपने एतबार से आप नंबरात दीजिएगा। एक बात। दूसरी बात, आपको अगर ये लगता है कि बच्चा देखकर पढ़ रहा है, अगर आपको ये लगता है कि वो बच्चा देखकर पढ़ रहा है, तो फिर उसको देखने के एतबार से नंबरात दिए जाएं। ठीक है? यानी उसके नंबर काटे जाएं इस चीज़ के कि देख कर पढ़ रहा है। समझ में आ रही है बच्चों? तो इस तरह से आपको नंबरात देने मेरा बेटा। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। नाउ मे आई इनवाइट एज अ फर्स्ट स्पीकर ऑफ टुडे आफरीन मोमिन। प्लीज कम ऑन द स्टेज।
Assalamualaikum sir.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम, प्लीज।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum everyone and a very good evening to all. First of all, I would like thank Allah for this golden opportunity. Then I would like thanks my teacher Zakaria sir for giving me such a wonderful topic to speak. And my topic is importance of English language. So, English is my favorite subject. English language is very important in our life. English is the global language. English is the global language used by billions of people to talk across different countries. Knowing English helps you get better jobs in big companies all over world. A huge part of the internet and online contents uses English is its main code. It helps us. It helps us thoughts. It helps us to uh, thoughts clearly, express our thoughts clearly. Good speaking skills in builds high personal confidence in public. It connects people from it connect people from different cultures to share ideas and make a new friends. It improves our knowledge and personality. It improves. It helps us to understood books, magazines, and newspapers. English opens the door in many opportunities. Everyone should learn and practice English every day. I want to become a good communicator of English language like Zakaria sir. I want to conclude my speech thanking for all wonderful people for listening to be um, patiently and carefully. Thank you so much and have a good, amazing and fantastic day. Jazakallah.
ओके, आफरीन मोमिन को नंबरात दीजिएगा हर बच्चा, ठीक है? नाउ मे आई इनवाइट एज ए नेक्स्ट स्पीकर
Assalamualaikum
ऑफ टुडे फरीन खान। कम ऑन द स्टेज।
Assalamualaikum everyone. Very good evening, all of you. Sorry. Assalamualaikum everyone. Very good evening to all of you. I would like thanks Allah for this golden opportunities. Then I would like thanks my teacher Zakaria sir for giving me as a wonderful topic to speech. My topic is importance of English. So, English is one of the most important language in the world. It is an international language and is spoken many countries. English help us in education. Learning English, learning English, mm, English, learning English is improve our confidence and communication skills and personality. It help us get good job and successful careers because many companies prefer people who can speak and understand English. English is the most important for students because many books are written in English. It helps us in traveling to other places and countries. English help us to use internet easily. It makes us modern and smart. Good English gives us more opportunities in life. English learning English is an investment in our future. I would like conclude I would like conclude my speech. Thank you all wonderful people for listening to me patiently and carefully. Thank you so much. I have a fantastic day.
ओके, फरहीन खान को नंबर दीजिएगा भाई. नाउ मे आई इनवाइट हूरा जैनब, कम ऑन द स्टेज.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम.
English is a global language spoken all over the world. It's help us talk to people from difficult countries. English is a very important from our studies and school. It's most books, science, and computer words use English. It is a main language used on the internet. Good English help us get better jobs in the future. It's bright our confidence when we speak to others. We can understand English movies and songs easily. It's of a brighter to connect difficult cultures. Traveling to new places become easily if we know English. It's help us learn new things very quietly. Speaking English improve our communication skill. Learning is very useful for a bright future.
ओके, हूरा जैनब को नंबर दीजिएगा भाई. नाउ मे आई इनवाइट एज द नेक्स्ट स्पीकर ऑफ टुडे तूबा, कम ऑन द स्टेज.
Assalamu alaikum everyone and a very good evening to one and all. First of all, I would like to thank Allah for giving me such a golden opportunity, and then I would like to thankful to my teacher Zakaria sir for giving me such a wonderful topic to speech, and my topic is importance of English language. So, English is one of the most useful and most spoken language in all over the world. Learning English is very helpful because it's used in many parts of our life, like school, work, and travel. If we know English, we can understand any topic easily. In our future, we can understand. In our future, English can help us to get a best and a very tremendous jobs in our future. And you know what? There is a very tremendous and wonderful platform to learn English, and that is Zakaria Spoken English classes. In my opinion, this is such a wonderful and a tremendous platform to learn English. If you understand English but can't speak, so you will definitely join these classes, and the result will be amazing. And English, it also helps us to communicate on different type of people and different countries. And English is a international language also. I want to conclude my speech thanking you for all wondering people for listening me very carefully and patiently. And thank you so much. Have a fantastic day.
जी, तूबा को नंबरात दीजिएगा। नाउ मे आई इनवाइट एज एन नेक्स्ट स्पीकर ऑफ टुडे समरीन सैफी। कम ऑन द स्टेज बेटी। वालेकुम सलाम।
Assalamu alaikum everyone and a very good evening. First of all, I would like to thank Allah for giving me golden opportunity, and then I would like to thank my teacher Zakaria sir to giving me wonderful topic. My topic is importance of English. English. So English is very important for success in a modern life. English help us to get good jobs. English uses in science and technology. English help us to travel and communicate. English improves confidence. English help us to learn useful skills online. English help us to travel and communication. English is important for education. Many schools and colleges books are written in English language. It is key skills for higher education and successful future. English help us to talk and ask for help in foreign countries. It makes learning and sharing easier. English is a global language. I would like to conclude my talk thanking you thanking you for all the wonderful people to for listening to me patiently and carefully. Thank you so much and have a fantastic day.
जी, समरीन सैफी को नंबरात दीजिएगा। नाउ मे आई इनवाइट एज ए नेक्स्ट स्पीकर ऑफ टुडे शिफा नदीम। कम ऑन द स्टेज।
Assalamu alaikum everyone and a very good evening to all. First of all, I would like to thank Allah for this golden opportunity. Then I would like to thank for my teacher Zakaria sir for giving me such a wonderful topic to speak. And my topic is importance of English language. So English is an international language and it is spoken in many countries. It helps us use computer and help us to get a good job. English improves our confidence and it useful while traveling. English help us to find a better opportunities and it improves our communication skills. English gives us more knowledge and it makes learning easier. English is a good language and it opens the door of success and it makes our future brighter. Learning English is an amazing choice and it helps us communicate with people around the world. It opens many opportunities for study and work and it improves our speaking skills. Learning English is make our future better. And I want to be a great English communicator like Zakaria sir. So we should learn English language. And I want to be complete my speech. And thanking you all for listening to me. Thanking you all wonderful people for listening to me please patiently and carefully. And thank you so much again. I have a fantastic day. Assalamu alaikum.
ओके, वालेकुम सलाम। शिफा नदीम को नंबरात दीजिएगा। नाउ मे आई इनवाइट एज ए नेक्स्ट स्पीकर ऑफ टुडे सुमैया परवीन। कम ऑन द स्टेज।
Assalamualaikum, sir.
सलाम।
I greet you with all in Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. First of all, I'd like to thank Allah for this golden opportunity. Then, I'd like to thank my Honorable Zakaria sir for this wonderful chance to speak. Today, myself, Sumaya Parveen of grade 10. Today, I'm going to talk about the importance of English language. Let's start. English is the international standard language of communication in our daily lives. It is impossible to communicate and expand knowledge without English. Most books, magazines, journals, and newspapers are printed in English. Most colleges and universities are provide their courses in English. It is so difficult to access and use the internet without the English language. More job opportunities, their courses are available for a person who can speak English very well. The English language also widens the scope of expanding the business at the international level. In the field of research, English plays a very crucial role. It allows communicating and collaborating with scientists all over the world. The USA, UK, and Canada are among the top English-speaking countries. With this, I conclude the small speech on Dara. With this, I conclude the small speech on the importance of English language. Thank you for listening to me. Satang Jivoli. Have a nice day. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम। नंबरात दीजिएगा भाई सुमैया परवीन को। नाउ मे आई इनवाइट शिफा मलिक, कम ऑन द स्टेज।
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
प्लीज।
Assalamu alaikum, everyone. First of all, Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Good evening. First of all, I should thankfully for Allah. बार पढ़ती आप देखते रहना, इधर उधर नहीं थे। Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Very good evening. First, very good evening for all of you. First of all, I should thankfully for my teacher, for my Allah, for good for. क्या हो गया मुझे? दोबारा सुना दी याद इतनी देर से, क्या पता नहीं क्या हो गया मुझे। Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Very good evening to all of you. First of all, I should thankfully for Allah for this golden opportunity, and I could thankfully my teacher Zakaria sir. Zakaria sir gives me such a wonderful topic, such a wonderful topic. Gives me such a wonderful topic. So it's my topic. It's my topic. It's my topic. Important to learn English. So English is not just a language. It is a bridge between dreams. Opportunity. It's a help connect with people. It's a help connect with people, different countries, circles, and draws better education, job, and global communication. When we speak, we gain the confidence to experience our thoughts and shares our ideas. So I would like to conclude my speech by saying thank you all the wonderful people for listening to me. Thank you for listening my patience. So thank you so much, and you have a fantastic day.
ओके, शिफा मलिक को नंबरात दीजिएगा भाई। नाउ मे आई इनवाइट एज एन स्पीकर ऑफ टुडे।
सर खुद को भी नंबर देने हैं?
खुद को नहीं देने हैं। बेहतर जी। आयशा खानी इन्होंने अच्छा सवाल किया था, खुद को नंबरात नहीं देने हैं। अगर आपने दे भी दिए खुद को तो वो काउंट नहीं होंगे।
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and a very good evening to at all. First of all, I would like to first thank Allah for this golden opportunity. Then I would like to thankful to my teacher Zakaria sir for giving me such a wonderful topic to speak, and my topic is importance of English language. So let's start. English is one of the most popular spoken languages in the world. It helps us communicate with people from different countries and cultures. In today's modern world, English plays an important role in education, business, science, and technology. Learning English gives us more opportunities for higher studies and better careers. Better careers. Many books, websites, and educational resources are available in English, so it helps us increase our knowledge. English is also important for traveling and building confidence. A person who can speak English can express ideas more easily and connect with others. We should not be afraid of making mistakes while learning English. Patience and practice can help us to improve our speaking skills. In conclusion, English is not just a language. It is a key that opens the doors to knowledge and success. Thank you. I want to conclude my speech thanking you all for wonderful people for listening to me patiently and carefully. Thank you so much and have a fantastic day.
ओके, आयशा खान को नंबरात दीजिएगा। नाउ मे आई इनवाइट हुजैफा, कम ऑन द स्टेज।
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
सलाम।
Assalamu alaikum, everyone. First of all, sorry, sir. Assalamu alaikum everyone and a very good evening one and all. First of all, I would like to thank Allah for this golden opportunity, and then I would like to thank to my teacher Zakaria sir for giving me such a wonderful topic. And my topic is importance of English. So English is very important in our life. English is very useful to us. English is the world's language. English is a language that keep us connected with the whole world. Today, in many school and also college, has required to to speak only in English. English language fills our personality with confidence. English is also the main language of for education, business, and technology and research papers, etc. It plays a very good role in education, banking, business, and medicine areas. Progress is impossible without English. English itself a very beautiful language. I would like to conclude my talk. Thankful you all wonderful people for listening to me patiently and carefully. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.
ओके, हुजैफा को नंबरात दीजिएगा। नाउ मे आई इनवाइट जिया इनाया।
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Assalam.
Assalamu alaikum, everyone, and a very good evening to and all. I would first of all I would like to thank for Allah for giving His golden opportunity. Then I would to thankful my teacher Zakaria sir for giving such as wonderful topic to speak and my topic is important English language. So English Zacharias are spoken in English. uh, English is a very famous language all over in the world. It help us talk. And talk and makes talk and makes friend with new people. My favorite cartoons and my favorite cartoon and story books are in English. Almost all computers and mobiles are in English. Are in English. Mostly school books in higher class in our English. Uh, mm, it makes it easy to ask for help when ask for help when I would like to want to conductor my speak the thanking you for all wonderful people for like me passionately and careful. Thank you so much and have a fantastic day.
जी, जिया इनाया को नंबरात दीजिएगा। नाउ मे आई इनवाइट एज एन नेक्स्ट स्पीकर ऑफ टुडे राबिया सालेहाती, कम ऑन द स्टेज।
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, everyone, and a very good evening to one and all. First of all, I would like to thank Allah for this golden opportunity. Then I would like to thankful to my teacher Zakaria sir, giving me as giving me such a wonderful topic to my speak. My topic is in importance of English. So, English is one of the most is important language in the world. It is an international language and is spoken in many countries. It helps people from different nations communicate with with each other. English is very important for education because many books, research, and papers and online courses are written in English. It is also the language of science, technology, and the internet. Learning English improves our knowledge and skills. It helps us get better jobs and build a successful career. English is also useful for business and build a successful career. English is also useful for business, travel, and higher studies. It increases our confidence and allow us to share our ideas with people around the world. Although all the English is very important, we should also respect and love our mother language. Both language are very very valuable in our lives. Therefrom, everyone should try to learn English because it opens the door to knowledge, success, and a bright future. I want to conclude my speech. Thanking you all, wonderful people, for listening to me and patiently and carefully. Thank you so much and have a fantastic day.
ओके, राबिया सालेहाती को नंबर दीजिएगा. नाउ मे आई इनवाइट एज ए नेक्स्ट स्पीकर हुसैन अहमद. कम ऑन द स्टेज.
Assalamu alaikum everyone and a very good evening to one and all. First of all, I would like to thank you all for this golden opportunity. Then I would like thank my teacher Zakaria sir for giving me such a wonderful topic to speak on. And my topic is importance of English language. Respected sir and my dear friends, English is not just a subject today. It has a global language to communication. First of all, English is spoken or understood all over the world, which helps us connect with people from different countries and cultures. Secondly, in the modern era of technology, science, internet, and highly education, maximum information and books are available in English. Without it, our growth in academic and career is incomplete. Moreover, whether we want Moreover, whether we want to crack competitive exams, secure a good job, or travel abroad, English acts as a strong bridge in our life. Finally, learning English boosts our confidence and opens the doors to endless opportunity in life. I would like to conclude my talk by thanking you all. Wonderful people, for listening to me patiently and carefully. And thank you so much. Have a fantastic day.
ओके, नंबर दीजिएगा भाई हुसैन अहमद को. नाउ मे आई इनवाइट एज ए नेक्स्ट स्पीकर ऑफ टुडे फातिमा ए हफीज. इनवाइट प्लीज.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
वालेकुम सलाम.
Everyone. First of all, I would like to thank Allah for this golden opportunity. It is also blessing of Allah that He blessed us with a teacher like Zakaria sir. I am standing before of you all only because of him. So I would like to thank my teacher, respected Zakaria sir, for giving me such an amazing topic to speak and my importance of English language. Now listen, my dear ones. English is the most useful language in the world. By learning English, we can meet everyone with everyone in this world. If you know English, you can survive anywhere easily. English is very important in the world today. It's like a key that opens many doors. Learning English is not learning English is not just about speaking a new language, but it's about opening the door of knowledge, gaining knowledge, and communicate with people regularly. English plays big role in education. Many schools and colleges teach in English, and a lot of books are written in English. If you can understand English, you can read, watch, and learn new ideas about all around the world. Knowing English is increase our chances to getting good job, especially in national companies. No, especially in companies. Let's learn English and make it a tool to achieve dreams. Now, I would like to conclude my speech, and I thank you all, guys, for listening to me with patience and peace. Jazakallah khairan kasira, sir. Jazakallah khairan kasira, guys.
आमीन. ओके, नंबरात दीजिएगा भी फातिमा ए हफीज को. नाउ मे आई इनवाइट एज ए नेक्स्ट स्पीकर ऑफ टुडे ईशा. कम ऑन द स्टेज.
Assalamu alaikum everyone and a very good evening to one and all. First of all, I would like to thank Allah to give me this golden opportunity. Then I would like to thankful of my teacher Zakaria sir to give me such a wonderful topic to speak, and my topic is important of English language. So English is spoken and understood by millions of people over the world as a common breeze language. It helps you talk and make friends with people from different nations and cultures. Most of the information and content available on the internet is written in English. Higher education books, science, research, and technology guide use English as their main language. Knowing English is essential for getting admission into top universities around the globe. It is a key requirement for securing job in multinational and foreign companies. Good English skills improve your chances for career advancement and higher pay. Traveling to foreign countries become much easier when you know basic English for direction and help. It lets you enjoy world-famous book, movies, music, and art creations. Speaking English well builds person confidence during public talks and group meetings. It serves as the official English language for international business, trade, and development. Global conferences and world news program really on English to broadcast information clearly. First Cry notes that a proper grasp of English helps children succeed in long-term personal goals. Eero Kids highlights that learning the language helps students write better, easy, and letters. It removes language barrier and lets diverse cultures share ideas smoothly. Knowing English gives you an advantage when looking for work outside ideas smoothly. Thank you.
ओके, ईशा को नंबरात दीजिएगा. नाउ मे आई इनवाइट एज ए नेक्स्ट स्पीकर सबिया बानो. कम ऑन द स्टेज.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम. Assalamu alaikum everyone, and very good evening to saying Allah for my teacher Zakaria sir for giving my such a wonderful topic to speak. And my topic is importance of English language. So English is a very important language because it is spoken in many parts of world. It helps people from different countries talk and understand each other. Most schools, colleges, and universities teaches subjects, uh, many subjects in English. It is it is also it is also it is also the main language used in social technology and the internet. Knowing English can help you get good jobs and travel easily to other countries. So it helps us enjoy and learn more English. English is important of education. English is improve your communication skills. Anyone want to learn English? I suggest you Zakaria sir classes is the best platform for learning English. I would I want to conclude my speech thanking you all wonderful people for listening to me patiently and carefully. Thank you so much and have a fantastic day. Thank you so much.
ओके, नंबरात दीजिएगा भाई सभी अबानों को। नाउ मैं इनवाइट जोया खान, कम ऑन द स्टेज, बट विद द कैमरा ऑन।
Yes, sir. Assalamu alaikum, sir. A very good evening for everyone. I would like to thank my honorable teacher Zakaria sir for giving me such a wonderful topic. My topic is important of English. English is one of the most useful language in the world. Millions of the people speak in English language. Many different countries learning English is helpful because it's used in so many parts of life, like school, works and travel. English play a big role in education. Many schools and colleges teach in English. English and a lot of books and written in English. If you can understand are written in English, if you can understand English, you can read, watch and learn about new ideas from all around the world. English is important for business. Many companies use English to tell to people from other countries. If you can speak in English, you can work and more place and contact cannot cannot with many different people. It can also help you find better job. And English is my favorite language.
ओके, नंबरात दीजिएगा भाई जोया खान को। The rest of the people will get a chance tomorrow. जिन लोगों ने आज नंबरात दी हैं वहीं से उन लोगों को नंबरात दीजिए, वो कल बोलेंगे। सी यू, अस्सलाम वालेकुम।